take a big piece of cardboard and a full plate from your kitchen. Trace 2 circles on the cardboard. Now cut them to get 2 circular pieces of cardboard. Now take a small piece of cardboard, mark a rectangle of 7 by 5 inches on it and cut it. Next, cut a 51 inches long and 2.5 inches wide strip of cardboard. And to get the required length, you can join 2 small or 3 small strips together with the help of masking tape. Now to cover up both the circular cardboard pieces with newspaper, take a bit bigger size newspaper than the circle, paste it on one side of the circle and flip over the edges on the other side and paste them too. Now start attaching the long strip of cardboard from its center on the edge of circular cardboard piece with the help of masking tape. Keep pasting on the edges, only leaving the top part open. Now repeat the same and join the second circular cardboard piece to it to construct the shape of a circular bag. Overlap and glue the ends of this long cardboard strip to join the handle and fasten it with masking tape. To cover up the handle with newspaper, cut newspaper strips of around 2 by 6 inches of size. Paste these strips all over the handle by overlapping their edges. After covering the handle, now cover both the circles with the exact size of newspaper cutting. Now take this small cardboard piece of 5 by 7 inches and make a crease 2 inches away from the one edge. Draw the curves on the corners of the other side and cut them. Mark and cut the newspaper to cover up this cardboard piece. To attach flap on the top open part of the bag, paste creased part on one side and bring down the round edged part on the other side. Now take a magnetic closer and fix it in the center of the flap and its counterpart on the bag. Now take a 6 inches wide and full length newspaper strip and roll it to make a newspaper tube. Once you get the tube, roll it again to make a spiral. Paste on top of the flap to hide the magnetic closer. To decorate the bag, make few more newspaper tubes and roll them in different shapes and sizes to make an owl. Color these spirals and arrange and paste them on the bag. Your bag is ready.